The screen is attached to your chainsaw's muffler. It covers the opening where the exhaust exits the muffler. It acts as a spark arrestor, capturing any sparks so they don't leave the saw and possibly ignite a brush fire. If the saw is not properly tuned, or if old fuel is run in the saw, the screen can become plugged with carbon and tar. This will cause the saw to lose power, run poorly, or start and then die. Replacing the screen is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the exhaust port cover. I'll place the new screen onto the cover, hold everything together with the screws, and reinstall this assembly back onto the saw. And that's how easy it is to replace the screen on your chainsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.